ABC News 4 and Berkeley Electric Cooperative present Touchstone Energy Tips.
Dave Williams, Eddie McKnight, we've been talking about energy-saving tips, and this next one is called phantom loads, Eddie.
That's right. That's all the things in your house that stay plugged in and run a lot, and you don't know that they're using power, but they add up over a period of a month. In a situation here, we have a computer, monitor, printer, modem all plugged in, and as you can see, it adds up to over 100 watts per hour. We have cell phone chargers, laptop chargers, small clock radios, portable phones. Adds up to over 20 watts per hour times 720 hours in a month. If you don't turn them off, they keep using power. A lot of people don't realize the TV keeps on using power even when it's off, unless you turn off the power strip.
That's why it's important to flip off the power switch.
Right.
There you go. All right. Well, we're trying to help you save some money on your next energy bill.